Welcome back, guys. This very website is another website which is similar to the Pet Kingdom website, which I've made a couple of videos about. That very Pet Kingdom website, it's actually still paying and it's been so beneficial. So on this one now, I am making another video on another website similar to the other Pet Kingdom website. They actually looks the same, very the same. They actually looks the same. So but this very one right here is a kind of more beneficial. It has higher earning rates more than the other Pet Kingdom website which I published in this channel. So this very one, I'm going to be making a live withdrawal right here. I'm going to be making a live withdrawal on the package I bought, and which I actually get some earnings already. So let's quickly make a live withdrawal right now before I talk about other things I want to talk about in this video, guys. So on here, on this place right now, to make a withdrawal, I have to click on me, just like the other Pet Kingdom website, but this very one is JD Pets. So, and they are also buying pets. But before I talk about that, let me quickly make a live withdrawal right now. So to make a live withdrawal, I will have to click on withdraw. As I click on withdraw, you are going to be asked to input your withdrawal password. So I'm going to input my withdrawal password. Let me click on confirm to input my withdrawal password. I'm going to set it right now, guys. So stick with me and make sure you watch this video to the end to see for yourself how this is, and also how to make it beneficial for yourself, and for you to also see my live withdrawal right now. So let me quickly do that. So to input your withdrawal password, what you just have to do right here on this page is to type your login password, your normal login password to this site. That's the very first thing you have to type in here, and followed by your withdrawal password. Then repeat the withdrawal password. So I have already done that now. So let me click on save. Okay, I click on confirm. Alright, so the next thing I want to do here is to add my wallet. So I'm going to add my wallet right now. I'm going to add my wallet, guys. So let me quickly go to Binance and get my wallet. So guys, what I'm just going to do right here in Binance is to click on deposit, because I want to deposit my money in this Binance from that very platform. So, and it should be USDT. So I want to get my USDT TRC20 wallet address. So I'll be selecting this very TRC20 right here. And having done that, it has fetched me my USDT TRC20 wallet address. So what I'm just going to do is to copy, and that's fine. Then as I've copied, I go back to this very website right here. So what I'm just going to do right now is to input my address, add type USDT, that's fine, network TRC20. So I'll now have to copy and paste. I've already copied, so I'll now have to paste my USDT TRC20 wallet address, and now input my transaction PIN. So having input my transaction password or my transaction PIN, I will now have to click on submit. That's done. That's fine. So the next thing I want to do now is to proceed with the withdrawal. Then before I proceed with the withdrawal, guys, I want to quickly show you guys something. I want to quickly show you my balance, my USDT current balance in the very Binance account I want to use to make this withdrawal, because I'm going to receive my money there. This is automatic withdrawal, guys. So let me quickly go to Binance and show you right now. Now, guys, if you look at my Binance, you're going to see that the last USDT I received in this Binance is $1 USDT. Is one USDT. That is $1, one USDT. So and the current balance I have here, let me go back. The current balance I have here on the USDT is just $6. Is the current balance I have right here. So I'm going to go back to the app right now. I'm going to go back to the website right now and continue with the withdrawal process. So what I'm just going to do here right here is to enter the amount I want to withdraw, which is I want to withdraw $2. I have $2.10 right here. So withdraw password, I will have to input my withdrawal password. So having done that, I click on withdraw immediately. Okay, it's now telling me the withdrawal amount cannot be what I should withdraw should not be less than 2.10 USDT. So let me make it 2.10 USDT. Now I click on withdraw immediately right now. It's like the network is kind of slow. Okay, withdraw successfully. As you can see, guys, it has withdrawn. Now it has withdrawn, guys. So let me now refresh this page and see whether it will still be here. Guys, while I do this, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your bell notification so that you can always get notified each time I upload an update in this channel. Guys, as you can see right here, you see that the USDT balance is now 0.00. That is the withdrawable balance. It was 2.10 right here before. And the recharge balance, one thing about this site, just like the other Pet Kingdom websites, once you recharge, once you fund the account, you're going to be given, first of all, you're going to be given 18 USDT. 18 USDT, free USDT. The other one was 15 USDT, the other Pet Kingdom website. But this one is 18 USDT. You'll be given 18 USDT. So now, you're going to fund at least a minimum of 10 USDT to make it 28 USDT, because because the minimum package you can buy here, the minimum amount of pets you can buy here, the minimum price for the pets you can buy here is 28 USDT. I hope you're following, guys. So you'll be given 18 USDT. Now you can add your own 10 USDT to that 18 USDT and buy a package. That is how it works. And once you buy it, the recharge balance here will now be written 0. So on daily basis, you're going to be seeing your withdrawable balance right here. So the money I just withdrew now is my withdrawable balance for today. The money I withdrew now is my withdrawable balance for today, because what I have in the platform is 28 USDT. 28 USDT. The 18 here plus the other 10, so 28 USDT. So now let me quickly show you guys the packages right here. The packages right here for the daily, for the minimum one here, the Ragdoll Cats VIP 2, which is okay. Sorry, for the VIP 1, the minimum right here is 28 USDT. As you can see, 28.0, 2.28.0. That's 28 USDT, and your daily income right here is 2.10 USDT. This one is actually higher than the other earnings of the other Pet Kingdom website. So as you can see now, I've already bought this, so it's not asking me to buy because I already have this. So the next thing to do is to consider the next one. Then if you want this very one, you can go for this very one. The purchase price is 98 USDT, and the daily income is 7.8 USDT, 7.84 USDT. So guys, you can come to this very place and see for yourself. The link to this website is in the description box of this video. The very first link in the description box of this video. That's where you can get the link to sign up to this website. So you have to deposit first. You have to deposit by clicking on this very place, clicking on recharge. It's after you've deposited and see your balance right here, the money you deposited together, it will be added together with the money you already have here, the bonus, the registration bonus you have here. So when you recharge, your recharge amount will be added together with your registration bonus right here. So, and for you to recharge, you have to click on recharge, and come here and copy your address. Now deposit money to this very address. After doing that, you click on submit. Copy this address and go to Binance or any crypto wallet you're using and fund it. And that's how it is. Now, when you fund it and it is now here, that is when you will now be able to come to this very place and click on animal here. Come to this place and buy a pet, the one you want to buy. That's how it is. Very, very simple, guys. So guys, let's quickly go to Binance and see if the money I deposited has actually reflected in Binance, because I told you guys what I'm doing on this video right now is to make a live withdrawal, guys. So as you can see here, the very first USDT deposit is you can see 5 minutes ago. You can see 5 minutes ago, guys. For the first one, there are two deposits here. The one I received 11 hours ago, but not on this platform, it's on the other one. But this very one 5 minutes ago is the one I received right now. So let me click on this arrow right here. Let me click on this arrow so that we can see the deposit history. Now I can see, guys, 2.1 USDT. That is 2.10 USDT. That is 2.10 USDT. So you can see I've actually received my money right here in this platform. I've received my money in Binance, right? I've received my money in Binance. So guys, if you actually observe, you will see that the time I received this money, is look at the date also. Look at the date. Look at the time. Look at the time. Following the very time, if you are actually following up on this video, you can see the time. You can see the time of making this video, and look at the time of receiving this. You can see that it's actually aligned. So this is actually a live withdrawal I made on this platform, guys. So you can key into it and start making money for yourself. But then just kindly note that your financial decisions is up to you, because I'm not a financial advisor and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions, guys. Everybody carries their own financial decisions, and you are responsible for your own financial decision, just like me. I'm responsible for my own financial decisions. So what I do is when I see something that is profitable, I share it in my channel. That's how I do, guys. So it's left for you to make your own research or quickly key into it instead of wasting time to make your research. So it's left for you to do it the way you want to do it. But I'm on this, guys. I'm on this and I'm making money from it. So, and as you can see, I've earned money from it. So if you want to sign up, you can click the very first link down there in the description box below and sign up. Now, when you refer your friends, you can make money also from referrals. When you refer your friends, there is good referral commissions when you refer your friends, guys. So let's quickly look at it before I end this video. To get your referral link, you have to just click. You have to come to this page. On the home page right here, you have to click that very home and get to this very home page and copy your referral link. Just tap on this. Once you tap on it, you see copy successfully. It has copied. So also your referral code, you also tap on it and share it to your friends to register. Then the money you earn per referral, when you refer people, you can look at it here. Your first generation referrals, for each of the packages you buy, any package you buy, your direct referrals, you're getting 5%. You're getting $5 per direct referrals. Sorry, you're getting this thing. You're getting 5 for direct referrals. Sorry, you're getting 5 for direct. Then the second generation referrals is 3. Then the third generation is 2. That is 5%, 3%, 2%. That's how it works, guys. So you can see it's actually beneficial. You can make money depositing. You can make money in referring your friends. And one thing I love about this is withdrawal is automatic. Deposit and withdrawal is automatic. So guys, you can go out there and join me and start making money for yourself, guys. I would love to see you on the next one. If you have any questions or you want to connect with me, you want to ask me some questions, or you need help about how to go through in the website, you can join my Telegram group and send me a private message. I will be able to respond to you right there. Just make sure you are sending the message to the right persons, guys. Thank you for watching. I would love to see you on the next one, guys. Bye.